Hello children, how are you all? Hope all of you are absolutely fine. I am taking your class after a long time and I am very happy to take your class now. Do you know, I am so sad because I cannot see anything without my spectacles. Can you find out my spectacles for me? Please, 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 please. Oh children, here they are, right? I'm wearing here. So I should wear here in my right position, right? Okay. Children, before I start this poem, let me ask you something, that whether you have seen anyone who wears spectacles? I'm sure that you have seen, right? Okay, you have, maybe it's your parent or grandparent or you only. Like me, I have my spectacles, right? Now let us start the poem. All of you please take out your English literature book because it's now your English literature class, page number 9999. Here we will read a very interesting poem. What is the name of the poem? Daddy Spectacles. Daddy Spectacles. What is the spelling of it? D-A-D-D-Y. Daddy Spectacles. S-P-E-C-T-A-C-L-E-S. Daddy Spectacles. What is the name of the poem? Daddy Spectacles. And written by Harendranath Chattopadhyay. Harendranath Chattopadhyay. Harendranath Chattopadhyay. He was born on 2nd April 1898. He was an Indian English poet, dramatist, actor, musician and a member of the 1st Lok Sabha from Vijayawada constituency. He was the younger brother of Sarojini Naidu, the 2nd woman president of the Indian National Congress. The government of India awarded him the civilian honor of the Padma Bhushan in 1973. He died on 23rd June 1990. Daddy Spectacles. Spectacles means a pair of glasses. But here Daddy Spectacle is the name of a person. First name is unknown, that's why it is written Daddy, and Spectacles is a surname. Okay, second name. So first name it is unknown and surname it is known. That's why it is Daddy Spectacles. Do you know anyone who is always losing his or her things? Read this poem to find out if Daddy will find his lost spectacles. Today our Daddy Spectacles is very sad since he has lost his spectacles, the only pair he had. Without that pair of spectacles, he can't tell A from Z. So the only thing for him to do is to go back to bed, but that he will not do unless he finds the precious pair. Pray, who can tell him where it is? Say, who can tell him where? Hunting for those spectacles, from room to room he goes. Daddy, your pair of spectacles is on your very nose. Now, all of you see here children, the poem begins with the father. Daddy Spectacles is the father, who seems to be very sad because he has lost his spectacles and that is the only pair he had, and without his spectacles he cannot read any letter from A to Z. Okay, so the only thing he can do is what? To go back to his bed. But he can't do so because he wants to search his precious spectacles from here and there, from room to room. Then suddenly the kid shouted that, "Father, your spectacles is on your very nose." See here, he was searching for the spectacles, but it was on the very nose of his only, right? So children, I hope you have understood this poem very nicely. After reading this poem, all of you have understood that Father has not lost his spectacles. Actually, he forgot where he kept his